Hello, Babita ji. Thanks for joining us. Donshia has started an initiative of uplifting and collaborating with our audiences जो हमारे पेशेंट्स हैं और काफी सालों से हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. इस लॉकडाउन में उन्होंने क्या किया और how they have used this lockdown time. I have seen your updates on Facebook, and I would like you to share with me how you have used this lockdown period to uplift others and uplift, learn something new, and be a better version of yourself. So, बबीता जी, क्या बताएंगे हमारे ऑडियंस को कि आपने कैसे ये लॉकडाउन में क्या नया किया?
Yes, Dr. Harleen, thank you for inviting me for this chat. And in this lockdown, actually, we've opened our mental health platform, and we are going by the name of Man Ki Baat, and it is a journey within. So we realized that many of our clients they were very inconvenienced by this lockdown, and they were not being able to physically come to us. So we opened this online, and since then, right now, we are doing online, and we they can communicate to us through Facebook or through Instagram or through a phone number or email address even.
So, what is this Man Ki Baat?
This is a platform where we provide counseling and therapy to the clients who are facing difficult life situations in their everyday life. There is this stigma attached to counseling that it is a mental illness, it is a mental problem, but actually it is not so. People with normal mental health, even they face certain life situations which is difficult for them to manage. So then when they come to us, we help them untangle those situations in their mind, and then they realize that it is really simple to manage these situations afterwards.
Okay, so does it involve only talking and self-realizing the issues they are facing, or is it something else?
Yes, initially when they come, they do talk, and then when we hear their problems, so we take them on a journey of self realization, and we also psycho educate them, and we help them see their problems where they stand. Because when you are so close to your problems, you actually can't see, where your problem is lying and where you're facing difficulty. So we help them see the situation actually how it is, and they realize that yes, it is so simple, and they could not they we try and change their perspective about the situation.
Oh, how interesting. So, how you got into this? This is itself a very challenging job because we ourselves, in this was a new situation for us. As a, homemaker, I'm sure you also must be facing some challenges. And in these difficult times, you thought of coming out and helping out others as well. What a brilliant thought. So, how you came to this that, yeah, now I want to reach out to people and help others also.
Actually, around 3 years back, I was in a difficult situation myself. And at that time, I was at loose ends. What should I do? What should I not do? And then someone suggested to me that why don't you go for counseling? So I went for counseling, and I realized its benefits and the potential that it had. So I thought, I was a housewife at that time. So I thought that, I have time on my hands. My children have grown big. So why not study something new? And if I can grasp it, because I was almost 50 at that time. So
Oh.
that was also in my mind, whether can I do it or not. But then I thought, why not give it a chance? And the rest, as you say, is history. It's been 3 years now, and I'm totally into this field, and I'm really enjoying it. And I love helping people. And I can see that when I see the change in them, it is so empowering.
So this is so inspiring. At the age of 50, you thought of helping others with what helped you. This is really inspiring. So, have you taken a formal education in this? Some courses or something?
Yes, I've studied diploma in counseling psychology, and this is a course. And then I've also studied psychotherapy and relationship counseling.
Oh, okay. Babita ji, can you share a success story that it's been 3 years and you must have heard so many stories, some which you could help, and some, people come back thanking you that, yeah, you have changed their life. So, some story which is special to your heart.
I would really love to share some story, but see, we are the first thing that we are taught in counseling is confidentiality. So I really, other professions, they can share their success stories, but I really can't tell anything about my clients to you.
So just don't disclose the identity, but just as a somebody, you can just say that, yeah, what was the challenge and how you helped him or her to overcome that challenge, because this will inspire, and maybe somebody who is listening to this may think that, oh, I'm also in the same situation and this can help me. So just for that.
Yeah, so there was one situation where a lady had come to me, and then she was having some problems with her son. That connect with her son that she wanted. So she did not have that, and her son was a teenager. So she came to me, and then I just showed her some techniques that, first and foremost, love your son, give him the total love, just love and affection. Because what we do sometimes, that we expect that you do well, then only I love you. So I just that give him unlimited love and affection without any expectation, and talk to him every day. And all these things, they really helped her, because as parents, we just want to dictate, do this, do that, and we don't even realize it. So these small things really helped her. And then she said that, my God, all these things you have told me, and now I'm so close to my son.
Wonderful, wonderful. This will really help. Somebody who's listening to this, and my daughter is also turning a teenager. She's just,
Okay.
12 and a half, and soon she'll be 13. So I dread that time, they, I know, I don't know, because I've heard people, teenagers, they think differently, they talk differently, and millennials, they have different language too. So let's see where
See,
we
we have
go.
to treat our children as adults. We start treating them as children, and therein the problem starts.
Okay, that's a very good tip. I will keep that in mind. Thank you. Thank you for this tip, Babita ji. So Babita ji, when you said about Man Ki Baat, if somebody wants to connect to you, they have your number, then also people have that inhibition that before calling, they will think 10 times that, okay, confidentiality is one thing, but still, okay, in Indian household, there are a lot many self inhibitions, leave alone what people will say, because people will not come to know. But is this a problem for which I should seek help? That is also a big question. So how would you answer that question?
See,
How to
first of
overcome
all,
that
people,
inhibition?
yes, you were saying.
Yeah, how to overcome that inhibition?
See, first of all, we all should realize that as important physical health is, mental health is equally important. If our mental health is good, our physical health will remain good. When you have a headache, we just think, oh, I have a headache. But what about the tension that we had first, or the anxiety we had, which led to that headache? So once, if you can pinpoint that anxiety, immediately you'll realize, oh, my headache is gone. So that is that relationship between physical health and mental health. So once people, they realize this, and we are trying to propagate this through our platform, that the more and more you give attention to your mental health, your physical health will remain absolutely good. So even if the smallest of problems, if they feel that they can do it on their own, it's very good. Or, there are so many tips that are available online nowadays, but sometimes you may feel that, no, I still, in spite of this, I can't overcome my problems. Then it's always good to go to a counselor or a therapist. You can just try 1 or 2 sessions and see how it goes. If you feel that, yes, it's okay, then you can continue. And we are actually providing free counseling, because sometimes you feel the counseling is quite expensive, because you have, at least there are 10 to 12 sessions required for that change to come in a person. And then
True.
they take to 1 or 2 sessions, and then they quit, that no, it's okay, I can handle it myself. So seeing all these problems, so we've decided to make it a free voluntary service, that people, they can come in with their problems. At least the cost factor is not an inhibition to them.
Very true, very true. This is such a big help. This would be, the cost factor also sometimes is a hindrance, that a package of 12 sessions, they have to wait for changes to see. And some people drop down in 1 or 2 sessions when they don't see results. So I like that, that at least now free counsel will see the results, and probably if later they need more help, they can come back for
Yes,
paid. Are
yes.
you doing paid sessions also?
Yes, we do paid sessions also, like people who come to me directly. So I do paid sessions, but people who come through Man Ki Baat, we are doing free sessions for them.
Okay, excellent, excellent. Very rightly said, Babita ji, जब आपने बोला कि headache होता है, तो why the headache is there? We should, take care of that also. Why which tension is causing the headache? So likewise in dentistry, what is causing the toothache, that is important. Just by popping in painkillers and anti-sensitive toothpaste, you are just trying to subside the pain for some time, which will not help in a long run. So I can perfectly relate to that thing. So thank you for accepting our invitation, Babita ji. First session of Spreading Smiles. Keep spreading smiles always. Our best wishes are with you. Would you like to share your number with us so that whoever is listening to this, if he needs, they can call you?
Yes, it's 70445 74488.
So thank you, everybody. Thank you, Babita ji, for being here and helping everybody out. Thank
Thank
you.
you for having me for this chat. Thank you, Dr. Harleen. हो गया ना?